Look at what I just did. The damage I can still cause. You made a promise to keep this world safe.
I am keeping the world safe by saving one of its protectors.
Fine. You want to ignore the Now imagine millions dead. All because of me!
It's your lightning. You keep it. How about we stop this insanity? Hmm?
Do you remember why we call our safety plan injustice? Because if one of us goes rogue, the rest of the world doesn't stand a chance.
You think this is what he would have wanted? He told me that before Crisis, Oliver went to the Monitor to trade his life for yours. Now, I never met the man, so you tell me. Why'd he do that? Because he was afraid? Nah. A man like him lays down his life for a man like you for one reason. Because you are the best of us. Oliver Queen wasn't a quitter. He'd never quit on you. So don't you dare quit on yourself.
Jefferson, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Just tell me this. Where's the future?
It's right here.
Whose life is this?
Mine.
So what are you gonna do with it?
Live it. By any means necessary.
I told you, Flash, if I found any trace of your true nature, I'd end your existence.
Leave him alone. He's innocent. Someone changed the timeline to kill my father and make Barry seem insane.
You really believe you're telling the truth? How tragic.